Culture Vocabulary Quiz. Write your name, your class period, and the date. Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Write in the correct answer choice using the word bank. Your answer choices are culture, culture diffusion, culture divergence, and cultural region. Question number 1. A total way of life is... Question number 2. An area in which people have many shared cultural traits is... Remember that you can pause this video at any time. Match the correct letter with the definition. Your answer choices are A, cultural convergence, B, cultural groups, C, cultural diffusion, D, cultural traits, E, cultural norms, F, society, and G, language. Remember that you can pause this video at any time. Question number 3. This is when a culture spreads its knowledge and skills to other cultures. Choose from one of the answer choices between A and G. Question number 4. Rules that are defining appropriate and inappropriate behavior. Choose from one of the answer choices between A and G. Question number 5. The tendency for culture to become more alike as they increasingly share knowledge. Choose between answer choices A and G. Question number 6. Shared norms, which refer to the expectation for behavior within a particular cultural group. Choose between answer choices A through G. Question number 7. People who interact in a defined territory and share culture. Choose between A and G. Question number 8. A common type of cultural trait. Choose between A and G. Question number 9. The specific customs that are part of everyday life of a particular culture. Choose between A and G. For question number 10, select one of the multiple choice answers. Question number 10. Ideas about reality. For example, some cultures believe in one God, while others believe in many gods. Is it A, language, B, beliefs, or C, values? Please take your time. Good luck.